I've done quite a few videos illustrating the features of the TI-89 graphing calculator. Haven't done anything with the units, so I thought I'd do a short video illustrating how you can use the TI-89 to convert from one unit to another. So let's look at the first one. We have 50 miles per hour is equal to how many kilometers per hour. And you can do these manually, but we'll illustrate it on the calculator. So we'll turn it on first here. And then over here, right above the 3, the keyboard here, we want to access excess units, so get second key. And then we get to this menu right here. So we're looking for speed, so that's velocity. So we go down to velocity. And I guess I should do first. I guess I need to get out of here first. And I have to enter the 50 first. So let me enter 50. I want 50 miles per hour in terms of kilometers per hour. So now let's go back. Second and then 3 excess units. Okay, so I have 50. And then I want, that's going to be in miles per hour. So hit enter. So now I have it as 50 miles per hour. Then I need to hit second, and then if you hit the mode key right here, second and then mode, you get this little arrow here. So second, mode. Okay, and that's going to convert it to whatever you put over here. So we go back to the units, second and then 3. And then to the velocity category here, and we're 1 kilometers per hour, so put it there and hit enter. So now hit enter again, and this should do it. So 50 miles per hour is equal to 80.4672. You can round that off. So let's say 80.5 kilometers per hour. Okay, so here in South Texas, if you go to across the border to Mexico, the speed there is given in terms of kilometers per hour. So don't get a ticket. Make sure you know your speed. Let's clear this. The next one, again, is one that you should know without doing any calculation. We have the boiling point, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and we want that in degrees centigrade. There's a formula for that, so you could do it with the formula. We're doing it in the calculator. But notice what happens here on this one. If I go to second, then units again, and again, hit it again. I have to enter the 212, so 212. And then I go back to the units. Now I'm looking at temperature, so I go down to that category. Okay, so go to the right here, and then Fahrenheit. Hit enter. So now I have it, okay, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. I want it in centigrade. So again, a second, and then mode gives me this arrow here, and then back to the units menu. And then temperature again, and then I want centigrade, so hit enter. So notice this is set up the same way as the other one was. So if I hit enter, it should convert it for me. Let's see if it does. And it says inconsistent units. Inconsistent units. Well, obviously they're not the same units because we're converting, but it doesn't give it to you. So trying to play around with this. And then I went to catalog here. So let's go to catalog. And then scroll down here. And this one here. TMP, that stands for temperature conversion. If I hit enter, okay, temperature conversion. Now let's try it in there. So I'll go 212. And then if you try doing the same way we did a while ago, it's not going to work. So what I'll do in this case is just go second, units. Then I want to label this as Fahrenheit. So go to temperature. And Fahrenheit. Go down, hit enter. Okay. And then here, if I try this little arrow here by mode, it doesn't give it to me. But let's try it anyway. So let's go second, and then go back to the units, and then I want centigrade. Hit enter. Close parentheses. And again, it gives me an error. So let's do this. Come back over here. So let me remove this arrow here and then put a comma. So I have temperature conversion 212 degrees Fahrenheit. I want it in terms of centigrade, and of course it should be 100, right? So hit enter, and it gives it to me. So for temperature, it doesn't work. Most of the others that I tried, it did work. If you find one it doesn't, you might go through that catalog and find one of these commands like this that might relate to the one you're doing. But anyway, just a short video to show you this particular feature of the TI-89. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.